Hey, good morning. We're going to attempt to review some of the information about mitosis for those of you who need to retake your quiz from last week. If we look, this has to do with cell division. You are creating two new cells. Why do cells need to divide? Because number one, living things grow. You need to produce more cells. Because the cells don't grow in size, they grow in number. 2, to repair damaged tissue. And 3, if the cell gets too big, it cannot get enough nutrients into the cell and waste out of the cell. Okay? So those three things are very important: growth, repair, and just the fact that we need new cells. Okay? The original cell is called the parent cell. The two new cells are called daughter cells. So we have the parent cell, we have DNA replication, we have, this is PMAT, so we have prophase, we have, actually this is metaphase, this is prophase, this is anaphase, this is telophase. Before cell division occurs, a cell replicates or makes copies of the DNA, so each daughter cell gets the exact information and directions that were in the parent cell. And each daughter cell then is exactly like the parent cell. Many organisms, especially unicellular organisms, reproduce by means of cell division called asexual reproduction, and one of the biggies is bacteria. So if we talk a little bit about DNA, it's located in the nucleus. It controls all the activities of the cell. It's thread-like, and in a non-dividing cell, it's called chromatin. Double-coiled, only short DNA in a dividing cell is called a chromosome. Okay. And the chromosome consists of two parts, that is the chromatid and the centromere. The chromatid is like the V part, okay, and the centromere is the center that kind of holds it all together. In single-cell organisms, it's just kind of all jumbled up like this. Chromosome structure, uncomplicated, you have the chromatid, and duplicated, you have identical sister chromatids. And again, this is a centromere. The identical sister chromatids attached in the middle, called a centromere. When cells divide, sister chromatids separate, and one of these parts, like this V and this V, each go to the new cell. Okay, so we're not going to worry about that one. Chromosome number, every organism has a specific number of chromosomes. Everything does not have 46 chromosomes. Humans have 46 or 23 pairs. Dogs have 78 or 39 pairs. Goldfish have 94 or 47 pairs. Lettuce has 18 chromosomes or 9 pairs. Okay, so all somatic body cells have the same number and the same kind of chromosomes. So skin cells will have 46, muscle cells will have 46, but it is individual types of cells. Okay, and a fruit fly, if we care, has 8 chromosomes. Again, you can see that we have skin, heart, muscle, all have 46 chromosomes. Fruit fly skin cells have 8. Fruit fly hearts have 8. Fruit fly muscle has 8. So all of the somatic cells have the exact same number of chromosomes. Moving right along. The cell divides by a series of events. Interphase, we notice, is the greatest length of time, and this is where the cell grows, it does its job, and its DNA is copied. Then we have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Cytokinesis is where you have 2 daughter cells formed. Interphase is the growth and development period. DNA is copied during interphase. During interphase, the cell grows, carries out cell activities, and replicates all other organelles. And the cell spends most of its life in interphase. Mitosis is the division of the nucleus. It divides into 2 nuclei, each with the same number of chromosomes. Mitosis occurs in all of the somatic body cells. Why does mitosis occur? So each new daughter cell has a nucleus with a complete set of chromosomes, because the daughter cells have to carry out the same job or function as the original cell. 4 phases of nuclear division and mitosis are abbreviated as PMAT. So we have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Here we know that prophase, the nuclear membrane is disappearing, the spindle fibers are formed, the chromosomes line up in the middle, the chromatids are pulled apart, or the chromosomes are pulled apart, and we have the chromatids on each side of the cell. In telophase, the 2 new nuclei are forming. This would be prophase. Chromosomes coil up, nuclear envelope or membrane disappears, spindle fibers form. This is metaphase. Chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, spindle fibers connect to the chromosomes, and they connect at the centromeres. Okay, this would be anaphase, where they are pulled apart. The chromosomes copies divide, spindle fibers pull, it says chromosomes to opposite sides of the cell. Telophase 2, chromosomes uncoil, nuclear envelope or membrane reforms, and 2 new nuclei are formed in preparation for them being divided into 2 new daughter cells. And the spindle fibers disappear. Cytokinesis is the division of the rest of the cell or cytoplasm and organelles after the nucleus divides. In animal cells, the cytoplasm pinches in. In plant cells, a cell plate forms, and this would be where the cell plate forms. This would be where the cytoplasm pinches in. After mitosis and cytokinesis, the cell returns to interphase to continue to grow and perform regular cell activities. Okay, this is just another animation of how cytokinesis takes place in plant and animal cells. Summary: interphase, mitosis, PMAT, cytokinesis. When cells become old or damaged, they die and are replaced by new cells. Okay, so here again are the steps. We go interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. DNA controls all the cell activities, including cell division. Some cells lose their ability to control the rate of cell division, and the DNA becomes damaged, changed, or mutated. Okay? And these superdividing cells form masses called tumors. Benign tumors are not cancerous, and these do not spread to other parts of the body. They are just abnormal growth of cells because the DNA mutated. Malignant tumors are cancerous. These cells break loose and can invade and destroy healthy tissue and other parts of the body, and that is called metastasis. So if this is a cancerous cell, some of these cells can migrate to other parts of the body and, again, cause cancer to form in other parts of the body. Okay, this is just some more about cancer. Cancer is not just one disease, but many diseases, because there are over 100 different types of cancer. Prevalence of cancer worldwide. Obviously, you can tell by this that breast cancer is a leading cancer, and breast cancer can occur in men and women. Okay. And we are not watching this video at present. Okay, so here we've got the chromosomes appear, appearance and location, important events. This will help you. If you do not know this, do not understand this, write this down in your notebook. And again, it will help you to remember. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. And I hope this helps you with your retake of the mitosis test. I would definitely retake it if I did not score at least 20 out of 26 points. Thank you. Have a great day.